Kulish wini fibro te namar ba kibun ki bakali te kadau kane kalong tang ka jing kan mau yo don ki bom tip hadu mentaru te ka tarik interview the following personal interview waiva was interview fixed for the following post mention kane apply ndu ar ndu terjun te nang ta kane ke LDA lower division assistant in the head of department July 2019 kan mau ka tarik interview kadai ndu khat phra khat khandai ar phlai ar sau ar san July ar jar sau kumut ba nadu lasai khat phra tarik kapor kadai sipo siteng apo MPSC office Shillong yo don kibom batte bodu mentaro kiba qualify namta ka personal interview namta ka LDA head of department July 2019 te kibade namta ka junior engineer grade 1 mechanical under PHE kane ka adap kade khadoi truk July te kine kiba mi list mi kerteng ha kane LDA head of department July 2019 kan mau ka interview khat pra hadu arsan te phila ban check hi ya admit card na poko official website phila ban pe yang tu phila download ada phim pad download te kan ne ka long tang ka jing pen kan mau nomor kidon bakali te tang ini hi kulish won